Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me how they could make a bunch of interlocking rings and not have to keep cutting them every time. I'm trying to delete these. And it's really pretty easy. I've actually changed it up where I did this one and then I started nudging them a little bit differently. But I've made all these interlocking rings really quick. So we're just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to use a 6-inch circle. And then I'm going to go to my pen tool. I'm going to make it a 1/2 inch. I'm going to go to object, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click. Now I've got my nudge factor set on 3.5. I'm going to make a copy and nudge at 3.5. I'm going to take this first one and I'm going to break the lines that away so if it's going over that one, it has to go underneath this one. And then you've still got the nudge factor set, just hit it twice. Now you do have some more lines, so we're going underneath, so we want to go over this one. And this is really pretty quick once we get going, because now you've got 4, and we're fixing to make a duplicate of those, nudge it over 4 times. And then you just have to do one more set of lines, and if it's going underneath that one, it's got to go over this one. And if it's going underneath, it needs to go there. So you only have to do the lines that are there. So now we're going to like multiply it. I'm going to hit the plus key. I'm going to move it over like, and if you go too far, just nudge back. You don't have to count. Get your interlock. So this is going under, so this one wants to go over. This one's going over, so you want it to go under. And there you've made that many rings, and you can actually keep going. You know, just hitting the plus key. I'm not counting how many times I'm clicking. I'm just waiting until I get too far and then nudge it back. Same thing with this. This one's going under, so it wants to go over. And this one's going over there, so it wants to go under. And there in just a little bit of time, you made that many interlocking rings. Pretty cool. Pretty good question. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.